Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be unboxing a 3-in-1 wireless charging station. Alright, and this is actually sent to me by EISREHO. So let's get into some of the basic information here. Currently I'm actually in the Amazon website. So you can see from here, this is the product page in Amazon. It says here it's a 3-in-1 wireless charging station for iWatch, alright, which is Apple Watch, alright, SE series, meant for AirPods Pro. It provides a 15-watt fast charging, okay, wirelessly for phones, alright. So it can be for your iPhone 12, iPhone 13, your 11 series, alright, those that actually offers wireless charging. Like the rest of the photos. Right here, these are things that it's compatible with. Alright, it's compatible with Apple Watch from the Series 1 all the way to Series 6. Not too sure whether is it compatible with Series 7. Right, it's also compatible with AirPods, AirPods Pro, AirPods 2. It's also compatible with other types of Android smartphone which have wireless charging, such as your Samsung Galaxy. Right, further photos to show how elegant it can look on your desk. Right, you can simultaneously charge your smartwatch and your cell phone at the same time. Alright, let's go further down. Okay, so it also says that it can actually charge your smartphone horizontally and vertically, which is very nice. Yeah, because I know that some wireless charger is not, at least those standing stations, they're not able to charge your smartphone if it's laying down, right? It has to be vertically up. You cannot charge it when it's horizontally down, right? You have to stand it up. Okay, it's also certified Qi safe, all right, wireless charging. So this means that you don't need to worry about overcurrency, overcharging, or this kind of stuff, or over voltage. There are such technology within this station itself to actually prevent such things from happening. Okay, so some photos to show you before and after. Like I mentioned earlier, horizontal and vertical charging, case friendly. Oh, this is very nice because some wireless charger I read is that you need to remove your phone casing before it can actually charge. So this one you can actually charge your phone together with your casing, which is quite nice. Sleep friendly. Oh, that's good. Okay, of course you can wave goodbye to multiple cables. Universal compatibility. Alright, so right now let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so here we are. This is actually the 3-in-1 wireless charging station. So let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing you see is this one. Let's see what's this. This is actually a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. This one is probably for the Apple Watch because you can see a logo here. This one, I'm not too sure what this is. Probably could be a sticker or something. Alright, let's put all this aside first. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, I see something else falling out. Alright, oh, it comes with a power adapter. That's nice. This is actually an 18-watt. That's cool. Which means to say that, oh, it's enough to power my iPhone. Nice. Okay, cool. What else in the box? Nothing else. Empty. So this is the main thing. This is the station. Pretty elegant. Right, so you have rubber feet at the bottom. So it's here, it says 3-in-1 wireless charging station. The input is 5 volt, 3 ampere or 9 volt, 2 ampere. Output to phone, 5 watt, 7.5, 10 and 15 watt. to the watch is 2.5 watt, to earbuds is 5 watts. So this is where probably where you put the phone, this part is probably where you put earbuds, and then there's a hole here. I think this is where this thing goes in. Okay, I mean we'll come to that a bit later. Next, the user manual. This is called X20. I like how simple it is. So it shows you here how to do the whole setup. You have the power adapter, using the wire, going into the device at the back. So it also have an indicator light, plug in for 3 seconds, green light, arrow will be red light flashing, standby will be light off, fully charged will be green light. So let's do the setup, shall we? So over here I have the USB-C cable. I plug it into the back of the port. You see red light, green light flashing. Okay, cool. So next what we do, this thing we plug in here. Okay, so let's put it to the test, shall we? Okay, so first and foremost I have my iPhone here. I put it up there. It charges, and with the case, my goodness, you can see it. You can see it here. It charges, and it has such a thick case. I actually think this case I have is really thick. And not only that, let me zoom out and let me show you the back of my phone. It even have all these magnets here. I mean, because I have like a portable stand which I use with it. And this case is pretty thick because it is actually a dual layer case, right? Amazing. Put it back again. Ta-da! It is charging. Next, let's test out this part, shall we? This is the Xiaomi Redmi Buds 3 Pro. It actually has wireless charging function. Does it charge? Oh! The white light is on. It means that it's charging. Alright fellas, so I have an Apple Watch here with me, and here is the moment of truth. You hear the tag. It's charging. And you can see the light at the bottom here. It's alternating. Right? Green. That means it's actually still charging all the devices. Pretty good. I mean, I'm pretty impressed so far. Especially with the iPhone, because it can actually charge with the casing on. Alright, I have one last thing to test, and that is to test whether this thing can charge horizontally. So this has actually been my unboxing and my initial testing of all the 3 ports. It charges all 3 devices at the same time. So do stick around for my full review of this device because I'll be using it over the next couple of days. Alright, so if you wish to see the full review, do remember to subscribe to my channel, and of course if you like this content, hit the like button. That's all the time we have. My name is Johnny, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.